All right, so this is the house from the outside. I think I gotta keep this thing held down, maybe. Hold on, I wanna make sure she sees everything. So this is the driveway. That's the house, really good area. This is the neighborhood, good folks. Talithia's gonna walk us through.
Well,
In my head.
yeah.
All right. Hey, this green paint from the outside, we know we gotta change, right?
If we're gonna be changing the carpet out, like I said,
You heard me, Cynthia?
in my initial.
The green paint's gotta go.
Oh yeah. I wanted to change it, but I have to get we have to get approval from HOA.
All right, let's do a quick walkthrough then. Chris, just follow me from the back with the lights.
You gonna send her that on WhatsApp? I mean,
on WhatsApp, yeah. So this is when you walk in, carpet. Again, Talithia was right, doesn't look bad. There is no popcorn ceiling, so she'll like that. Closet. Let's just go. Oh, what's this? Okay.
Downstairs.
Oh, so we'll go downstairs first. So just make a right.
It's getting dark.
Damn, it's getting dark, man. We're like in a haunted house, man.
So yeah.
So walk right above me so we can.
Right above you?
Yeah. So look at my screen.
Yeah, I'm trying.
All right. So I figured we get the basement first either way. Let me make a right-hand turn. So. Yep, that's good. Let's turn here. So this is the whole basement, right? And then there's this room right here. This is the bathroom, right? And this is a full bath, right?
It is.
This is a full bath. Stand-up tub. The floor doesn't look bad. I know you can't see it, but it's like a gray tile.
It's a gray green. It's green.
Yeah, it's coming up.
And then
This is what we're converting into a bedroom.
has the window. So it would be a bedroom
I'm
and
just putting like a small closet. in
yeah,
there.
it would be a bedroom and a bathroom. And it has a pull-up bar, but we'll take that down. All right, so that's the basement, right? What's his door? Is that a little closet right there?
Yeah, I need the stairs.
That's a closet. So this is basement. Now we're walking back up. So I'm gonna send you the rest of the house in order.